Let's talk stitch length and stitch width. Depends on your machine where these controls are. On mine, this top one is the length, the bottom one is the width. This is my needle position over here. If you have a straight stitch, this side to side doesn't matter. On a straight stitch, bigger the number, longer the stitch. Mine goes from like 0.2 to 5. And I usually stitch somewhere around 3, 3 and a 5. The width is how far back and forth, like if you have a zigzag that it goes. And you just change that up there. So let's look at some examples. Okay, here's your straight stitches. Starting with 0.2, moving up, I think this was 1.5, then where I normally sew somewhere a 3, 3 and 5, and this was the 5. The longer length you'll need for thicker fabrics, or if you just want the look of it. These teeny tiny stitches, if you have a delicate fabric, it can really start to bunch up, so you have to be careful with those. For most sewing, you're going to wind up something like this, maybe closer to that, depending on what you're doing. Now let's take a look at the zigzags. On the zigzags, with zigzag, you have the length and the side to side. These are all on 1.9 length. So somewhere between these two. This is the widest 5. This is round a 3. And then here's about as skinny as mine will go on side to side. So you can make these scrunched closer together or spread more out with the length width. And then the side to side is controlled by the width.